This video will explain how to add bank account and debit card in Google Pay. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app that allows you to send, receive and pay money directly from your bank account using your mobile phone. You don't need to carry cash or swipe your card. The app connects to your bank's UPI system to handle transactions safely and instantly. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. What you need before you start. Before adding your bank account or debit card, make sure you have a smartphone with active internet connection, a SIM card in your phone that is linked to your bank account. The Google Pay app is installed from Play Store or App Store, an active bank account in the bank that supports UPI. Most Indian banks support UPI. Your debit card details. If you also want to add your card. Now we will see how to add your bank account in Google Pay. Step 1 is open Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your phone and sign in using your Google account. Step 2 is verify your mobile number. The app will automatically detect your phone number and confirm that the phone number matches the one linked to your bank account. You have to tap continue and wait for SMS verification. This step ensures the phone number belongs to you. Step 3 is add your bank account. On the home screen, tab your profile photo or initials in the top right corner. Tab bank account or add bank account. Choose your bank name from the list. Google Pay will contact your bank automatically and fetch your account details, which is linked to your phone number. Then select the account you want to add. Step 4 is set your UPI PIN. If this is your first time setting up UPI, you will need your debit card number and expiry date to create a UPI PIN. UPI PIN is a 4-digit or 6-digit password. If you already have UPI PIN for this bank account, then enter your existing UPI PIN to confirm. Once done, your bank account is successfully linked to Google Pay. Now we will see how to add a debit card in Google Pay. Adding debit card lets you make contactless payments or international transactions, depending on your bank. Step 1 is open Google Pay. Launch the app and tab your profile icon on the top right. Step 2 is tab payment methods. You will see your linked bank accounts and option to add the card. Step 3 is enter card details. Type your debit card number, expiry date and CVV. CVV is nothing but 3-digit code at the back of your debit card. Step 4 is verify the OTP. Your bank will send one-time password to your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP to confirm ownership of that card. Step 5 is save the card. After verification, your debit card will appear under payment methods. You can now use it for online purchases, app subscriptions, and tap to pay. Tap to pay will work if your phone supports NFC. Now we will see the difference between UPI PIN and debit card PIN. These are not same. UPI PIN is used for Google Pay transfers or UPI payments. Debit card PIN is used at ATMs or for card payments. However, your debit card details are used once during the setup to generate your UPI PIN. Now we will see how to make payment after linking. Once your bank account is added, you can send money to friends or family using their phone number or UPI ID. You can pay bills, electricity, phone recharge, etc. You can shop online and choose Google Pay at the checkout. Tap and pay using your card on NFC enabled phones. Every time you make payment, you will be asked to enter your UPI PIN for security. Now we will see safety and privacy tips. Never share your UPI PIN, OTP or debit card details with anyone. Only verify through official bank messages or inside the Google Pay app. Use screen lock or fingerprint protection on your phone. Check your transaction history regularly for accuracy. Report any suspicious message or fraud using the help and feedback section in Google Pay. Now we will see the summary. First, open Google Pay and sign in. Second, verify your phone number. Third, add your bank account and set UPI PIN. Fourth, add your debit card, which is optional. Fifth, verify using OTP. Sixth, start making payments safely.